Let us now take the third model from LCM and HCF. This question is based on the concept of LCM. Let us first understand the statement there. The least number which when divided by A, B and C leaves the same remainder R in each case will be equal to the LCM of ABC plus the remainder R. So whenever we are supposed to find out a number which when divided by various other numbers will give the same remainder in each case, can be taken as the LCM of those numbers plus the remainder. Let us take an example based on this concept. The question here is, find the smallest number which gives a remainder 5 when divided by any of the numbers 8, 12 and 15. So the question says we are supposed to find out the smallest number which always gives a remainder 5 whether you divide by 8 or by 12 or by 15. So as you can see here, this question is similar to what we have discussed. The least number which when divided by A, B, C leaves the same remainder will be equal to LCM of ABC plus the remainder. So here also we need to take the answer as LCM of 8, 12 and 15 plus the remainder 5. So the one way of solving the question here is simply go by the statement, that is LCM of ABC plus the remainder. Otherwise we can also verify from the given options. Whichever option gives a remainder 5 when divided by 8, 12 and 15 will be the answer. So either you go by options and eliminate the wrong answers, or the answer can be taken as LCM of 8, 12, 15 plus the remainder 5, going by the above concept. Now the LCM of 8, 12 and 15 can be calculated as follows. If we take 2 here, it goes 4 times and 6 times, and 15 is as it is. Then if we take 3, 4 is as it is, this goes 2 times and 5 times. Again if we take 2, we get 2, 1 and 5. And we can understand that now 2 has to be taken once and again 5 has to be taken, so that all the quotients are 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 5, that is equal to 120. So very clearly the LCM of 8, 12 and 15 is 120 and plus 5 will give 125. So we can say that the answer for this question is option 3, 125. So if we can use the given statement, directly the answer can be obtained as LCM of the given numbers plus remainder. Otherwise we can also verify from the options. For example, if we try to take option number 1, when option number 1, 120 is divided by 8, we know that 120 by 8 is exactly 15. There is no remainder, but we want the remainder to be 5. So option 1 gets cancelled. Similarly, 240 when divided by 8 or 12, we get an exact answer. There is no remainder. So even 240 and likewise 65 and 101 gets cancelled. The only left out option would be 125. So that has to be the correct answer.